In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change dates in the assignment status for multiple assignments all at once in NCCERconnect. I'm going to start by going to Instructor Tools in my menu bar, expand my Instructor Tools menu, and select Assignment Manager. Then I'm going to select Manage and choose Edit Dates and Status from the drop-down menu. Next, I'm going to use the Modules filter to filter my list of assignments to only those in Module 1 for this example. There, now we're only viewing Module 1 assignments. Okay, so now I want to make changes to all the assignments in this module. So I'm going to select them all by placing a check in the topmost checkbox here. That selects all the assignments in the list for me. Now I can use this top row here to apply changes to all my selected assignments at once. I want to set all the assignments in this module to assigned. I'll do that by selecting Assigned in the Assign column and then choosing Apply to Selected. And you'll notice that the assignments which were already assigned remain assigned, but any assignments which were not assigned are now set to assigned. Okay, that's what I want. Now I want to change the start date for these assignments, or in other words, the date on which the assignments are made available to my students. I'll do that by changing the date and the time in the Start column, and then choosing Apply to Selected. And that will adjust the start date for all selected assignments. I'll do the same to adjust my due dates using the Due column. I'll add a due date and a due time, and choose Apply to Selected. Now all my assignments have that due date applied to them. If I'd like, I can scroll through my list of assignments and make changes to individual assignments too. And when I'm done making any adjustments or changes, I do want to make sure to select Update All Settings to ensure that I save all the changes I've just made. Okay, now let's go back to my Assignment Manager under Instructor Tools, and let's use the search bar to quickly filter to just our Module 1 assignments. And you can see that all of my Module 1 assignments are assigned now. They all have the new start date we just chose, and the due date and due time have all been updated as well. And just to confirm, if I remove my search and go back to my full list of assignments in my course, I do see that these changes were only made to my Module 1 assignments, which is exactly what I wanted. Thanks for watching.